My name's Ursula Armstrong. I'm the Special Programs Coordinator here at OUA. Today you're going to be meeting the Student Affairs staff, and they're going to be telling you about what orientation looks like when your students will arrive in Arezzo. This will give you the chance to think about how you would like to structure your pre-departure orientations before you leave to come to Italy with your group. Please let me know if there's anything you need to clarify or you have questions about. Thank you. I look forward to meeting you.
Hi, I'm Charlotte Duclos. It's a typical morning in the spring semester here at the monastery, or the Rooney Family Center in Arezzo. We have a student playing piano here in the Great Hall, lots of students out taking a midterm, and the rest of us getting ready for you and your summer program students. Your students will have orientation sessions here in Arezzo that focus on safety and security, with some guidelines and considerations, as well as advice and tips for keeping themselves safe, as well as keeping their things safe. The guidelines and expectations for a successful program will be something that you can cover with your students, related to student conduct, applicable disciplinary processes for infractions, and some basic Italian laws that we feel like students should know. Other information will focus on the practical information that your students will need about the OU and Arezzo community and Arezzo in general. We'll tell them things like where things are located, what to do if they feel sick, how to get help for an emergency and for non-emergency situations.
Hi, my name is Leanna, and I will be talking to your students about housing and living arrangements, something that everybody wants to know about. So whether your students are living in the Rooney Family Center or not, they will have access to it. So when they arrive during on-site orientation, we will be discussing the use of facilities at the OU and Arezzo San Francesco Classroom Annex and here at the Rooney Family Center or the monastery.
Ciao, I'm Lucio Bianchi and I'm here to talk to you and your students about the voucher meal plan while here in Arezzo. Obviously, during the orientations, there will be a specific explanation to each group and the use of the vouchers, if they have dietary restrictions and anything else that is related to the world of food culture in Italy will be explained to your students while they are here.
The last thing I wanted to talk about quickly is the Community Code of Conduct resource that we've added in the things that Ursula has sent to you in preparation for your pre-departure orientations. In order to ensure that everyone in your academic program has a positive experience, we encourage you to use this Community Code of Conduct worksheet to establish some guidelines for you and your students in order to set some behavioral expectations and possible consequences for violations. This is in order for your students and you to come up with things that are manageable, feasible, and fair to everybody. As you'll see, there's some lists of different types of situations that they may find themselves. And of course, some behavioral expectations and consequences for the violations are already delineated in the OU Student Code of Conduct and Responsibilities and or in the OUA Community Living Guide. Therefore, those have already been filled in for you. We hope you're able to use this worksheet to the benefit of your whole group, and if you like this worksheet and you found it useful to you and your students, please let us know.
Hi, my name is Nella and I'm the current graduate resident director. I'll be here during the summer and I look forward to meeting all of the students. My main task this summer will be holding travel seminars because all of your students are very excited to travel. So it is my task to make sure that they're comfortable and they know anything they need to know about traveling while they're abroad. So I'll be happy to do that and I look forward to meeting everyone.
And lastly, we're open to any suggestions you may have in order to tailor these orientation sessions for your specific summer program. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you would like to add anything to this general agenda for the on-site orientation sessions. Thanks, and see you this summer. Ciao!